The allure of financial freedom through online ventures has captivated millions globally, thanks to the digital realm's boundless opportunities. Whether freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or e-commerce, the promise of financial independence is more compelling than ever. However, many budding entrepreneurs and creators encounter hurdles that impede their economic aspirations. The issue? They often stumble into a few common pitfalls that hinder their progress, hold them back, and lead them to give up prematurely. If you're yet to see the fruits of your online labor, it's likely due to one or more of these 5 mistakes. Let's delve into why these mistakes are so detrimental, and most importantly, how to avoid them. Mistake number 1: lacking consistency in your efforts. The first and possibly most common mistake people make when trying to generate income online is a lack of consistency. This mistake can lead to losing motivation and ultimately quitting. The internet is full of people who started a blog, launched a YouTube channel, or set up a dropshipping store, only to quit after a few months. They put in initial work, but lost motivation when the results didn't come fast enough. The truth is that consistency is the key to success in any online venture. Whether it's building a following on social media, gaining traffic to your website, or nurturing an email list, success doesn't happen overnight. For example, YouTube's algorithm rewards creators who post regularly. If you only upload sporadically, your channel won't get the traction it needs to grow. The same applies to other platforms. Consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. The reason consistency is so vital is that it allows you to build momentum. Your first blog post, video, or social media post might not perform well, and that's okay. But by posting regularly, you give yourself more chances to succeed. Think of each content or marketing effort as a small investment in your future success. Eventually, these small efforts will accumulate into larger results. Skipping weeks or months between your content creation or marketing campaigns can cause people to forget about you. And worse, the algorithms will stop showing your content to new audiences. Stay the course and don't give up too soon. Remember, success in the online world often requires patience and persistence, but the rewards are worth it. Mistake number 2: not understanding your audience. The second major mistake is creating content or products without understanding your audience. This mistake can lead to a lack of connection with your audience and a diluted effectiveness of your content or product. You might have a brilliant idea for a product, blog, or YouTube channel, but if you're not addressing a specific problem or fulfilling a desire for a targeted audience, your efforts will likely fall short. To succeed online, you need to know precisely who you are trying to reach, their pain points, and how you can uniquely address those issues. This understanding guides your content creation and product development, making your audience feel valued and integral to your business. For instance, let's say you're trying to start a YouTube channel focused on personal finance. Who is your audience? Are teenagers learning about money for the first time? Or are people in their 30s trying to manage debt? Each audience has different needs, and your content should speak directly to those needs. Trying to create content that appeals to everyone will make it hard to connect deeply with anyone. Understanding your audience also helps with product creation. If you're selling an ebook, course, or service, it should resonate so strongly with your target audience that they feel compelled to buy it. One way to ensure you're on the right track is constantly engaging with your audience. Surveys, comments, social media polls, and direct messages can give you valuable insights into what they're struggling with and what solutions they're seeking. Mistake number 3: focusing too much on passive income too early. The allure of making passive income online is undeniable. Who wouldn't want to earn money while they sleep? However, the concept of passive income is often misunderstood. This misunderstanding can lead to unrealistic expectations and a lack of effort. Many people dive into affiliate marketing, blogging, or dropshipping, expecting to set something up and watch the money roll in. The reality is that passive income streams usually require significant upfront work and ongoing maintenance. Many who fail to make money online do so because they expect quick, effortless results from passive income models. It's crucial to avoid this mistake and understand that passive income is not passive, especially in the beginning stages. Focusing too much on passive income early on can lead to neglecting the hard work necessary to get to the point where your income streams can become more automated. Setting realistic expectations and putting in the work up front is critical. For example, affiliate marketing can be lucrative, but only if you've built a platform with consistent traffic, a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media following. The same goes for selling digital products or creating an online course. You can't just throw up a sales page and expect people to buy. You must drive traffic, build trust, and continually optimize your sales funnel. There's nothing passive about passive income, not in the beginning stages. Suppose you focus too much on passive income early on. In that case, you risk neglecting the hard work necessary to get to the point where your income streams can become more automated. Setting realistic expectations is essential, as putting in the work up front and gradually transitioning to passive strategies once you have a strong foundation. Mistake number 4, ignoring marketing and traffic generation. Another common mistake that prevents people from making money online is underestimating the importance of marketing and traffic generation. You might have the best product or content in the world, but you won't make a cent if no one knows. A build it, and they will come mentality doesn't work in the digital landscape. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a blog, or a YouTube channel, traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. Without a steady stream of visitors, you won't have the opportunity to convert leads into customers. The solution? Make marketing a priority from day one. There are countless ways to drive traffic online: SEO, paid ads, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer collaborations, and more. You need to find the best strategy for your platform and audience. For instance, if you're running a blog, learning the basics of SEO and keyword research can make a difference in how much organic traffic you receive from search engines. If you're growing a YouTube channel, understanding how to optimize your videos for YouTube's algorithm can help you gain visibility and attract more viewers. It's essential to constantly promote your content or products, not just once, but repeatedly. Just because you shared a post or video once on social media doesn't mean your job is done. Successful online entrepreneurs know that traffic generation is an ongoing effort. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. The final and most critical mistake that prevents people from making money online is giving up too soon. This mistake ties into all the others. If you expect quick results, don't clearly understand your audience, or aren't consistent in your efforts, it's easy to become discouraged when you don't see immediate success. The truth is that building a successful online business takes time. In the early stages, it might feel like nothing is happening. You might be posting content that isn't getting views or making products that aren't selling. This is where many people throw in the towel and say, making money online just isn't for me. However, the difference between those who succeed and those who fail is persistence. The ones who make it are the ones who push through the slow periods, learn from their mistakes, and keep going. Success often comes right after the point where most people give up. It's crucial to remember that building anything worthwhile takes time. Whether you're growing a YouTube channel, a blog, or an online store, you'll face challenges. But those challenges are a normal part of the process. If you quit at the first sign of difficulty, you're robbing yourself of the opportunity to succeed. The online space rewards those who are patient and persistent.